If the software applications that you use to run your business could talk, what would they say? Would they say, "No one has followed up on the sale opportunity to Acme Supply in over 2 weeks. It's taking too long to send out order confirmations and invoices to our customers. It is time for a reorder of item number 100. John in sales needs to know that the customer he's trying to sell more product to has reached their credit limit." But software applications can't talk, at least not yet, and that's why organizations are turning to KnowledgeSync by VineyardSoft. KnowledgeSync speaks for your applications. It watches over them to keep an eye out for just those kinds of conditions that are critical to the success of your organization. KnowledgeSync is your invisible assistant. Unlike other monitoring tools, KnowledgeSync starts by monitoring all aspects of information that are important to your organization: sales or CRM data, financial data, manufacturing data, even data that your organization receives in the form of incoming email messages. KnowledgeSync can also trigger intelligent alerts. Alerts to internal staff, to customers and prospects, and to suppliers and partners. These alerts can be sent via email, fax, pager, cell phone, PDA, or web browser, and these alerts can easily be tailored to contain just as much or as little information as you require. KnowledgeSync can also trigger the delivery of relevant forms, enabling you to automate the process of delivering such documents as invoices, statements, picking lists, quotes, and dunning notices. And if your organization relies on reports to keep on top of your business, KnowledgeSync can generate and distribute those as well, ensuring that only relevant data appears on your reports and making it faster and easier for you to access the precise information you require. But KnowledgeSync doesn't just deliver information to people. It also acts on that information. If a prospect hasn't been contacted in over 2 weeks, KnowledgeSync can schedule a follow-up visit or phone call in your sales application. If a customer emails a question to your support department, KnowledgeSync can take that email and create a call ticket in your underlying customer service application. And if an item is approaching its reorder level, KnowledgeSync can automatically create a purchase order in your financial application. Now let's take a few minutes to show you how the KnowledgeSync application works. KnowledgeSync consists of 4 components: the administrator, where initial system configuration and security settings are defined; the event manager, where you tell KnowledgeSync what conditions to watch for and how to respond to them; the event monitor, which is an operator's console or dashboard from where you can monitor KnowledgeSync's progress; and the KnowledgeSync service, which allows KnowledgeSync to run in a hands-off, lights-out environment. KnowledgeSync runs as a service and does not require its own server. KnowledgeSync can run on the Microsoft Windows NT, XP, 2000, and 2003 platforms. We're going to be viewing the Event Manager, where you tell KnowledgeSync what business conditions you want it to watch for and how you want it to respond to those conditions once they occur. Note the left-hand side of the window. This is where you're able to tell KnowledgeSync what applications you want it to monitor. Notice how in addition to a wide variety of business applications, we also have a branch to monitor incoming email messages, the operating system, and another branch titled Event Watchdog. The Event Watchdog is unique to KnowledgeSync. It allows you to monitor and automatically respond to conditions within KnowledgeSync itself. An example of this would be if you have a critical pager alert that needs to be sent to someone. If KnowledgeSync is unable to deliver that message because the recipient changed their pager PIN number, you need KnowledgeSync to fail over that alert to an alternate recipient. We call this closed-loop alert messaging, and KnowledgeSync is the only solution that offers it. Most importantly, there's no additional cost for this module. All customers receive it as a standard part of the KnowledgeSync solution. Now let's take a quick look at the KnowledgeSync Event Manager. Unlike other solutions, you don't have to be a programmer to set up KnowledgeSync. Not only is KnowledgeSync's event design process wizard-driven, KnowledgeSync also includes pre-configured collections of events for over 30 popular front and back office applications, and these events are provided at no cost to you. The first step in creating a KnowledgeSync event is the identification of conditions that you want KnowledgeSync to watch out for. We call these conditions queries. There is no limit to the number of queries that you can create, nor are there any limits on the types of conditions that you can tell KnowledgeSync to check for. Whether it's to check for sales prospects who have not been contacted within the last 7 days, to see if any support reps have more than 3 high-priority calls currently assigned to them, or to see if a salesperson has changed the forecast probability or amount of a pending sale, KnowledgeSync can handle it. KnowledgeSync can integrate with almost any application. You can configure KnowledgeSync to automatically generate and deliver statements, invoices, and picking tickets, monitor overdue invoices or delayed deliveries, and you can even use it to determine when your best clients have altered their buying habits. But checking for conditions is only part of the KnowledgeSync picture. KnowledgeSync has a number of different ways that it can respond to the business conditions that are important to your organization. As you know, different conditions call for different responses. Some conditions, like a newly placed order, require only a single confirmation to be sent back to the customer. Other conditions, such as a stock that is nearing its reorder level, require continued attention until their condition is corrected. And some events should generate forms or documents and automatically deliver those items to the appropriate recipients via various required delivery methods. But regardless of what needs to be delivered, KnowledgeSync makes it easy to design alert messages. Plain text, HTML, faxing, paging, and even posting information to a web portal for easy access by partners and suppliers are all part of KnowledgeSync's message delivery methods. And since most organizations use multiple business applications, KnowledgeSync has the unique ability to combine data from multiple software applications within a single alert message. But KnowledgeSync is much more than just an alerting solution. KnowledgeSync can be used to trigger workflow within your applications, workflow that ensures your business applications are kept up to date not only with what has happened, but also what has to happen in order to keep your clients happy and your business running smoothly. Once you've chosen who the alert messages, forms, and documents should be delivered to, the only remaining step is to specify how often you want KnowledgeSync to check for this particular business condition. And that's the end of the simple, straightforward process of event designing. Turn the KnowledgeSync service on, and your KnowledgeSync Invisible Assistant goes to work. With over 3,000 client organizations around the world, KnowledgeSync is a 3-time industry award winner with a proven track record of success. We invite you to give KnowledgeSync a try by downloading a free 30-day evaluation version of the software. And if you have any questions about the application or would like to arrange a more detailed product demonstration, please feel free to contact your business partner or VineyardSoft Corporation at 1-800-850-8055 or at www.vineyardsoft.com. Thank you for your time and your interest, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you.